Early Australian halfpenny. In 1901, the separate colonies of Australia federated into the Commonwealth of Australia. This gave Australia the power to issue its own currency. A few years later, in 1910, the first Commonwealth of Australia silver coins were released. The following year, in 1911, the first copper coins with lower face values were made available to the general public. The halfpenny was the lowest value coin produced. It looked similar to the British halfpenny it replaced, with a portrait of King George V on the obverse, but the reverse now had the words Commonwealth of Australia, proudly announcing it as the currency of the relatively new nation of Australia. This design, as seen on this 1934 coin, remained until 1938, when it would be replaced with a coin that bore a portrait of King George VI on the obverse. In 1939, the iconic and popular image of a bounding kangaroo appeared on the reverse, as seen here on a 1940 halfpenny from my collection. For the first time, Australia had a coin that could not be mistaken as being the currency of any other nation. Australia had powerfully announced its nationhood to the world with this coin, 38 years after it had first become a nation.